Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Don't Disturb mode in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. So first of all, go to the settings here and search for the notification here. And scroll down, there is Don't Disturb mode. Click on it and you can turn it on. Yep, or turn it off. And you can personalize it for your own, so you can choose the people or color message, whatever you want in this don't disturb mode. You can choose the apps which you want to don't disturb mode. You can of course choose your alarm, and there is important thing, you can schedule this don't disturb mode from 2 and even more if you wish some other option. You can set duration for quick settings and display option for hidden notification. When you turn on your don't disturb mode, you can easily turn it off. In your shortcuts on the upper side, you can press to disconnect it with this mode and enable it when you push it. When you press and hold on the disturb mode, you can go especially to the settings of this mode. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!